dodo doesn't taste like poultry. Considering how they were killed and butchered by the Dutch travelers, the dodo birds didn't taste as nice as the hunters may have thought that they would. During that time, food was limited and there was not much to eat, so the Dutch travelers tried to cope with the food they had and ate the dodo birds to curb their hunger while using salt to preserve leftovers. The dodo birds lived on sweet fruits and nuts, as well as other natural plants on their island. Hence, there was no reason to doubt that the meat of the dodo wouldn't be tasty.